Welcome back to the range, folks. We are living in a golden age of ballistics, and I am not just talking about gunpowder. The days of the woodstock recurve are long gone. What we are looking at today is a total evolution in kinetic energy delivery. Modern crossbows have transitioned from simple archery tools into precision weapon systems that rival the ergonomics of your favorite rifle platform. We are talking about speeds that defy physics, triggers that break like glass, and terminal performance that drops big game in its tracks. For 2025, the engineering teams have absolutely taken the gloves off. Whether you are filling a tag, prepping a survival loadout, or just love high-end mechanical advantages, this year's lineup is serious business. Before we start sending bolts downrange, go ahead and crush that like button to support the channel. Jump into the comments and tell me what rig you are running this season. And if you haven't already, make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on the raw truth about the gear we rely on. We are cutting through the marketing fluff to get you the data that actually matters when the adrenaline dumps. Lock and load, because we are breaking down the top 5 crossbows you need to get your hands on in 2025. And stick around, because the number 1 spot is going to change the way you look at archery. Number 5. Ravin R26X. If you need a setup that disappears until it is time to take the shot, this is your huckleberry. The Ravin R26X is defining the subcompact category. This platform is purpose-built for the hunter who needs maximum mobility without sacrificing lethality. We are looking at a system that is only 26 inches long and weighs in at a featherlight 6.5 pounds. That is handgun-level maneuverability in a package that hits like a freight train. The R26X completely changes the game for stalking through dense scrub or operating out of a tight ground blind. It shoulders fast, it points natural, and it feels like an extension of your arm. But do not let the small footprint fool you. This thing is a ballistic hammer. You are launching bolts at 400 feet per second with over 140 foot-pounds of kinetic energy. That is clean, ethical, knockdown power for anything walking on 4 legs in North America. Ravin's helicoil technology is the secret sauce here. It keeps your cams perfectly leveled during the draw and the release, which means your arrow flight is laser straight every single time. I have put hundreds of cycles through this system, and the consistency is terrifyingly good. The silent cocking mechanism is a massive tactical advantage. Being able to go from hot to neutral without firing a discharge bolt is a feature seasoned woodsmen will value immediately. It saves your string, and it keeps your noise discipline intact. Combine that with the frictionless flight system, and you have a release that is whisper quiet. At a price point hovering around $2,000, it is a buy once, cry once investment. But for the operator who demands stealth and power in a backpack-sized rig, the Ravin R26X is top tier. Number 4. 10-Point Titan 400. This is where American muscle meets refined engineering. The 10-Point Titan 400 is a testament to what happens when you focus on the shooter's experience. It is not just a projectile launcher, it is a masterclass in ergonomics and reliability. The moment you pull this into your shoulder pocket, you notice the balance immediately. The weight distribution is optimized to mitigate recoil and keep your sight picture steady. It is built for the guy who needs absolute confidence when that buck steps into the lane. Pushing 400 feet per second, the Titan 400 delivers payloads with authority. The reverse draw geometry shifts the center of gravity back toward the trigger group. That creates a pivot point that drastically reduces front heaviness and eats up vibration. That translates to tighter groups and smoother follow-throughs at distance. The real standout feature here is the ACU draw decock system. This allows you to safely decock the weapon without ever touching the trigger or sending a bolt into the dirt. That is a safety layer that matters when your hands are cold and the sun is setting. Aesthetically, the Titan 400 is strictly business. The graphite finish and Alpha Knock HP technology give it a low-drag tactical profile. Paired with the Rangemaster Pro Scope, you have a glass system that makes holdovers instinctive. Weighing in at 6.4 pounds with an adjustable stock, this platform is designed for shootability. It places the power exactly where you need it without punishing the shooter. Whether you are in a tree stand or ringing steel, The Titan 400 is the perfect balance of raw horsepower and control. Number 3. Wicked Ridge Invader M1 Decock. This is the working man's workhorse. The Wicked Ridge Invader M1 Decock is the platform for the shooter who prioritizes fundamentals over flash. It is not trying to win a beauty contest. It is trying to fill the freezer. When you handle the Invader M1, it feels familiar and intuitive right out of the box. The controls are exactly where your muscle memory expects them to be. Performance-wise, this rig punches way above its price bracket. You are getting speeds in the mid-300s feet per second, which provides a flat trajectory for standard hunting ranges. With a quality broadhead, the terminal ballistics are more than enough to get the job done efficiently. The headline here is clearly the decocking system. Usually, you only see this kind of safety tech on flagship models that cost double the price. Being able to lower string tension safely without a discharge is a huge tactical plus. For new shooters or veterans focused on safety, this prevents negligent discharges and lowers the stress level in the field. The trigger brake is surprisingly crisp, and the lockup is solid. Durability is key with the Invader series. These components are proven, tough, and easy to source if you ever need maintenance. You are buying a tool that is not going to fail you when you are miles away from the truck. If you want a dependable, safe, and accurate weapon system that respects your wallet, the Wicked Ridge Invader M1 is the smart play. Number 2. 10-point TX28. Compact, aggressive, and surgically accurate. The 10-point TX28 is a statement piece for the modern hunter. This platform is engineered to operate in the tightest environments while delivering magnum-level performance. We are talking about an overall length of just 28 inches and an axle-to-axle width of 6.5 inches when cocked. It practically disappears in your hands. You can maneuver this through thick brush or tight shooting windows without snagging, but do not underestimate the power plant. The TX28 sends bolts downrange at 410 feet per second. That is serious kinetic energy that competes with full-size rigs. The velocity, paired with the compact geometry, makes this a rare hybrid of CQB handling and long-range capability. Under the hood, this thing is packed with premium tech. The twin riser technology creates a rigid chassis that eliminates flex, making the shot feel dead in the hand. It runs a TriggerTech trigger that breaks like a glass rod. Zero creep, crisp break. The zero-track barrel and guide lock rest ensure your projectile is stabilized instantly upon release. You also get the ACU Slide Max safe cocking system and the factory Rangemaster 100 scope. That combination gives you legitimate 100-yard capability if you do your part. It is unusually quiet and repeatable for such a short power stroke. On the range, the ergonomics reduce fatigue, allowing you to stay on target longer. Factory packages come ready to run with quality arrows, making it a turnkey solution for the serious enthusiast. If you want cutting-edge tech in a package that defines stealth, the 10-point TX28 is a heavy hitter. Number 1. 10-point Venom X ACU slide. This is the apex predator. When you talk about redefining what a shoulder-fired string weapon can do, the 10-point Venom X ACU slide stands alone at the top. This isn't just a crossbow, it is a high-performance machine. Every component is milled and molded for speed, silence, and absolute domination of the environment. The Venom X clocks in at a blistering 410 feet per second. It harnesses that power through the RX-8 cam system, which is a marvel of efficiency and energy transfer. But raw velocity isn't the only reason it takes the number 1 spot. It is the operation. With the ACU slide system, 10-point has solved the biggest headache in the industry. You can cock and decock this weapon in total silence and with complete mechanical safety. It allows you to reset your status without making a sound that would spook game. Visually, the Venom X looks like it belongs in a special operations armory. It is only 9 inches wide when cocked, making it incredibly slick in the woods. The skeletonized tactical stock and carbon fiber limbs keep the weight down to a fighting trim of 6.9 pounds. This design focuses on performance under pressure. Stability is rock solid, which is the difference between a clean harvest and a long night of tracking. The Alpha Knock HPX system and the rope sled mechanism ensure your string alignment is perfect every time. The two-stage S1 trigger breaks at a crisp 3.5 pounds. That offers rifle-like control that precision shooters are going to fall in love with. Paired with the Rangemaster Pro Scope, the Venom X is a precision instrument out to 100 yards. It prints groups that will embarrass some compound bows and even some entry-level rifles. 10-Point has packed all this innovation into a chassis that is rugged and field-ready. The forward draw design balances the weight perfectly, allowing you to track moving targets with ease. In 2025, the 10-Point Venom X ACU slide is the benchmark. It combines legendary craftsmanship with next-gen ballistic technology. Deadly accurate, whisper quiet, and incredibly user-friendly. For the shooter who demands the ultimate blend of power and safety, this is the rig that earns the crown. All right, that is the briefing. These are the platforms that are setting the standard right now. If you got some value out of this breakdown, do me a solid. Smash that like button. It really helps us beat the algorithm. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you do not miss our upcoming range tests and gear torture tests. And sound off in the comments below. Tell me which one of these rigs you would trust your season to. Train hard, stay safe, and shoot straight. I will see you on the range.